Even in today's troubled economic climate, new millionaires are being created at a faster pace than ever before. Of course, for some it's pure luck, being at the right place at the right time. In many cases, though, a new millionaire is the result of the effort of the hard work of many other people. In other words, they are spending their time building someone else's dream. Of course, it's always great to have a job of any kind, but here's a question for you. If you're going to trade your time and energy working to achieve a major goal, shouldn't it be your goal, your success, and your reward? Of course, most everyone dreams of being their own boss, but the truth is, starting up a conventional business is no walk in the park. You need lots of capital to get things off the ground. Then you have to deal with burdensome regulations, paperwork, and a substantial loss of personal and family time. But what if there was a way to leverage your time and effort in a business with extremely low risk and unlimited potential? What if you could enjoy the freedom of owning your own business? A business involved in 9 of the top retail product categories. And what if that business required an initial investment of a few $100s instead of hundreds of thousands of dollars? And it was backed by a 17-year-old, publicly traded international company. What if the business had an exclusive relationship with one of the foremost nutritional experts in the world and endorsements from professional athletes and Hollywood celebrities? What if you could offer income opportunities to others at the same low startup cost and become part owners of their businesses? What if the business allowed you to enjoy a luxury car or dream vacation absolutely free? And finally, what if the opportunity provided multiple income streams resulting from a proven business system that anyone can follow? A system that has literally evened the playing field by taking the luck out of becoming a millionaire. A system that affords anyone the chance to break through the glass ceiling that limits so many in corporate America. What if this wasn't a what if? The truth is, that kind of opportunity does exist. Wouldn't it be exciting to be part of a team where everyone works together, where everyone's work is appreciated, and where everyone's earning potential is unlimited? And wouldn't it feel fantastic to help people significantly improve their health and the lifestyle of their family? One of the best parts of getting involved is the personal freedom it offers. As an independent business owner, you set the goals, the timeline, and the environment that works best for you. What good is all the money in the world if you can't enjoy your family and recreational pursuits? Or if you don't feel like you're doing something that makes the world a better place? Your mission is health and wealth, and the combination will make you excited to get up in the morning. You might be wondering, can I do this? The answer is absolutely. Wait till you see the training, support, and marketing materials the company provides.
The relationships, our health, our freedom, and just the experiences that we've had are things that most people would only dream of.
And it is time for us to take our liberty and our freedom back. We don't have to wait 40 years to retire.
What's our top priority? And for us, freedom is our top priority.
What if it actually made that difference and made that change so that you could be able to be home with your kids?
You can do a meaningful thing in your life. You don't have to trade your time for dollars.
It is the greatest opportunity that there is.
It is unbelievable what this business has done for their lives, and it only gets better.
What if the only question was, are you next?